Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix EA Sports FC26 crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or black screen or stuck on loading screen on Xbox console. So here are the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, then check if your problem is fixed or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Step 1. Make sure your Xbox is up to date. Go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2. Clear FC26 cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for FC26 game and highlight it. Then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3. Clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox, then skip this step. Step 4. Clear alternative MAC address. Go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now launch FC26 and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts, select the account in which you are having the issue and then remove it. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch FC26 and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3. Manually select port. Go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings, select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue, restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one worked for you. Fix 4. Run FC26 from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type FC26 in the search bar and click on it, then click on launch game and check. Fix 5. Change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual, enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time you can enter 1.1.1.1 for primary DNS and 1.0.0.1 for secondary DNS and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 6. Reinstall FC26. If nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall EA Sports FC26 from your Xbox, restart your console, then fresh reinstall it, then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve the EA Sports FC26 crashing at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.